Hi everyone, and welcome back to Learning English with Isabel. And in today's video, I wanted to teach you guys some responses to thank you. And you're welcome is the most used response to thank you. And it's used in movies, in a lot of formal situations. I use it. I'm sure you've used it, but there's so many different responses. So I'm going to give you some scenarios. Also, there are some responses that are more used in the British English and some in the American English. Scenario one would be you're going to a shopping mall and you hold the door for someone and they say to you, "Thank you so much." So then you turn around and you say, "It's okay. It's fine. Oh, it's no problem." Scenario number two would be you buy your friend some chocolate and your friend says thank you, and your response would be, "Sure, you're very welcome. You're so welcome." Scenario number three would be you're a female and you're walking down the street and you drop your gloves on the floor. And then a gentleman picks them up and you say, "Oh, thank you for picking up my gloves. Thank you for giving me my gloves." And he turns around and he says, "Oh, it was my pleasure. It was a pleasure." By the way, that is very British. Americans don't use it that often. There are some that may use it if they're very impressed or they're very, very polite or maybe a little old-fashioned. They would definitely use it. But it's mostly the British that use "my pleasure." By the way, it's very polite. It's very nice. I actually really like saying, "Oh, it's my pleasure." Scenario four would be if you and a friend exchange gifts with each other and your friend says thank you. You can say thank you anytime. Scenario would be if you pick something for someone and they thank you for it, and you can say, "Oh, that was the least I could do," or "No worries." The least I could do is a little bit more British than it's American. Americans do use it, but not as often as the British. That's it for today's video. And maybe in the comments, you can write what your response would be to thank you.